My one-man army.
Another memory, just fine articulate at this point. Listen carefully. Memories can be fractured, ignored, twisted, but what has been can never truly be lost. The past is power. Do you understand? Fujibaya Shinawe. The structural integrity of her memories is solid. There is much for you and her to discover. I wish you luck. Otherwise, this will be the last time we speak. Goodbye. For now.
He comes. Oda Nobunaga.
We need a plan. Chichiue, what do we do?
We ride to Aikuni Shrine. Now.
You're not telling me everything. I can see it on your face. What was in Hattori-han?
Come to Aikuni.
What was in Hattori Hanzo's letter?
The world is at many wars now, eh? Not just the one Oda Nobunaga fights.
Someone else is coming to Iga?
Yes. But what they want from us, they cannot have.
Then we won't give it to them.
No, we won't.
I know you cannot tell me everything, Chichiue. But I need your trust.
You have it.
Then tell me what to do. I can do it. I can help you.
It's... plenty of them. For every Egan.
They are not the only ones here.
She gave it to you.
So I could protect it if they came.
What matters now is defeating Oda.
All the forces pour in from every direction. The mountains, the tiger mouths.
Then I will meet them there. Is that not what we have pledged?
We pledged our oaths to her.
They died with her. Do what you must. I understand.
Wait!
My heart belongs to you.
My blood is Egan. I will get you to Mibuno Castle.
I'm coming with you.
No. I need you elsewhere. Run to the Kufu, the mountain. The door will open. To this blade is a key.
What?
Inside the coffin is a box. Protect it with your life.
Chichiue!
You said you wanted help. Now's the time. Cannot let Sendayu stand alone. Show me. Go. I will meet you there. Now. Box. It cannot be opened. It cannot be taken. Promise me, Plum.
I promise.
Nagato!
Focus. Get to the coffin. Don't fail me now, Blade.
Don't stop. Just find the box.
The coffin!
Stu is counting on me.